Hello everyone, this is my review of the Sprite Lemon Lime soda pack. This is a 10 pack that I got, and these are the minis. It's not the full size, but the minis, which minis can fit in places easier and coolers easier and stuff. And it has a good amount of soda in it, and if you need more you could just grab another one. But they're not that big, and it's pretty cool. It's not much I could say about it. If you drink a Sprite before, you know how good it tastes. But it's just this different since the minis. So I hope this review helps.